Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous view.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know, honey, you know that HerGivenHair is just my hair, okay? I love, 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 love these units, okay? So once again, shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. So the unit that I am wearing, I'm gonna read off their product description paper that they always send me. Shout out to you, honey. You make sure the Virgo in me is just feeling good, okay? So it says product description, then it has the order number, and it says product type lace front wig 13 by 1. Okay, we're gonna get into that in a little bit, but I wanna go ahead and just tell you guys the information. So it says 13 by 1, middle part, Coily 3C24A, hair color, natural color, and the cap size that I have is a medium cap size. And if I'm not mistaken, with all of their units, you can get whatever cap size you need. I am an average cap size, and I've noticed that with their units, if you're an average cap size, honey, well, with their wigs, they always fit me perfectly. Like even right now, I have no spray, I have no glue. I am truly wearing this wig glueless. I will show you. I am truly wearing this wig glueless, y'all. So and it fits perfectly. I even have it just kind of like a notch over with the elastic band, and not fully on, because I just didn't want it to be too tight. But yeah, that's how I am wearing this particular wig. So they say wig name Coily 3C24A, texture 13 by 6'1". So it does go 6 inches back here, but it's 1. So you can't part this wig anywhere else. You can shift it if you want to. You can shift to the left, you can shift to the right. It may be a little uneven, but it's still gonna give a really nice look in my opinion, or I think it will. Or you can just wear it as a middle part like I'm wearing it, but you cannot part this wig elsewhere. It says lace front wig is 150% density. Child, if this is 150% density, what is 180? Child, what is 180? 180 I probably couldn't even carry on my head. It says T-part, hair texture is Coily 3C24A. The length that I am wearing is 14 inches. And the cap size is medium, and the parting type is a middle part. So they have on here pre-plucked hairline, deeply bleached knots, and they were. I did not, now y'all already know I don't like to bleach nobody's knots anyway, but I didn't have to bleach these at all or spray anything. Deeply bleached knots, Swiss transparent lace, 100% Ramy. I was thinking Ramy, but it's R-A. Human hair, adjustable elastic band. And it says, this is Kinky Coily, Curly, Burmese Curly, and Kinky Blow Out. So I guess you can blow this wig out if you wanted to. It is a 13x1. The parting type is optional. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now this one is a lot more affordable than my typical HerGivenHair units. Their units do run more on the expensive side, and I think they run more on the expensive side for a reason. Like this type of hair, I think should be expensive. Like I do, it just gives a really natural feel. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I did receive a little bit of shedding, as I usually do when I am co-washing this unit. I did co-wash it. I'll insert the clip here, or I had it somewhere at the beginning of the video, but I do co-wash these particular units because these wigs do come with a wig instruction book, and I don't know what I did with the box, but it does come with a wig instruction book, and it does tell you to co-wash the wig when you get it. So I did wash it in conditioner, and while I was brushing it out, I did receive some shedding. It was nothing to write home about. If it was, child, you wouldn't be seeing me sitting right here talking to you right now with this wig on, but it really wasn't. Child, this is really making my long eyelashes get sad. I hate when they do that. But yeah, it did have that. And as far as tangling, it was easy to brush out, and there's no tangling now. Honey, I'm not finna be showing you guys because I'm not finna mess up my little curly fro that I got here, because I just feel like it is just really serving natural hair. You cannot tell me this does not look like my hair, girl. Okay, you cannot tell me it does not serve my natural hair. So I'm not, y'all ain't finna have me messing up my curls for y'all, but take my word for it. After I brushed it out, I was not receiving any tangling after that. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now this unit, if I'm not mistaken, did come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it did also come with an elastic band. So be mindful of that. And now we can get into how I feel about this unit as well as the full 360. Obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, girl, this is it. No Michael Jackson. If you're interested in how I feel about this unit, although I'm sure you already know, but if you are interested nonetheless, then please continue. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a whole book with y'all. Like, honestly, this wig is the best T-part wig I have ever received. Like, usually, even with my T-part wigs, I like T-part wigs because they are convenient, but usually they don't give like the most natural feel, even when they are like have the lace all the way across. With this unit, as you guys can see, like I have nothing on it. I can move it where I want to. I can adjust it how I want to adjust it. And yeah, I have no spray. I have no glue. I have nothing on it. It's just, she just woke up like, girl, she just woke up like this. Like, oh my God, I love everything about this wig. It's really comfortable. It's an easy throw on and go, and I feel like it looks like my natural hair, honey. Okay, it does. It just gives a very, very natural feel. Now I've been fluffing it out in the back because I feel like I got a little flat back there, but I just love everything about this wig. I just think it looks really good. I love the length of it. I love the curls in it. I just love everything about it. I love the hairline. I feel like the hairline is done to perfection. Now, mind you, over here, she's not all the way down. I might, shoot, your girl might use a large. But as you guys can see, like the hairline just looks good. Like, she just looks good, y'all. I love this wig. I think it is gorgeous. So I am interested to know what you guys think about this wig. If you own this wig, do you love this wig? And it's crazy to me that this one is way more affordable than their other units, because like by far, I know y'all like, girl, you say that every time you get one of their wigs. But this one is honestly my favorite because I'm lazy, okay? I don't have to do anything to this wig but throw old girl on and go, okay? After I done got my product on it, as long as I can keep it like on a wig stand, like go to bed, take it off, go to bed, put it back on in the morning, and get things done, girl, okay? You can't beat that with a stick. So yeah, I am loving everything about it. I would definitely recommend it. I think everybody needs at least one HerGivenHair wig in their wig supply or whatever, in their wig collection, okay? Everybody needs at least one. And that's how I feel about this unit. But yeah, I am really feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it as much as I am? I would love to know down below in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Now, child, if she's not super fluffed out in the back, don't judge me, honey. Don't judge me. Worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. But anyways, y'all, I am feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I didn't even do any baby hairs with this wig. Like, child, that just lets you know how nice this unit is, how nice the hairline is. There was literal minimum work. The most work I did was co-washing it and applying the products that I applied. That was it. So yeah, if you're looking for a super beginner friendly unit, check this one out for sure, honey. Okay, I don't think you'll be disappointed whatsoever. And yeah, y'all, that if you're interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out you HerGivenHair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try.